Cognitive behavioral therapists find PsyTechVR helpful because we have a plenty of different scenarios. I want to start by going to the scenarios of specific phobias, and I'll pick the flying environment. So first of all, each of these scenarios are built gradually with a hierarchy of fear, and if you choose one of these environments, let's say wheels up. Once your client gonna take a headset and have a seat in the airplane, you can customize the way how the flight is going. You can start by changing the place in the airplane. You can change the weather outside the airplane. And this can be a clear sky, or icing, or even a foggy weather, or a thunderstorm, which will also bring you vibration into the controllers. And you can customize some other wearables. We got some people sitting with us. We can hide them. We can change the height if we're working with a tall person or a kid. And we can also activate the turbulence. And you can activate the sound.
The captain has turned on the seatbelt sign. Please fasten your seatbelts and remain seated.
And you can even drop down the masks. And what is most important, all these variables can be adjusted while you're running the exposure. PsyTechVR is the only platform which allows you to customize the exposure while you're running it. Another environment can be related to OCD. So I'm gonna bring us to the scenario of OCD, and we'll show you, let's say, one of the scenarios for the contamination. In this particular environment, the client will see a public bathroom, and there, once they walk there, they can do different triggers. They can open the door using the controller, or they can touch and flush the toilet, or you can work your client towards the tap, click on it, let them wash the hands using the controllers, or even if you turn right, we got something here. You can let your client pick the object, and this is possible because PsyTechVR is a 6 degree of freedom platform where your client can apply the controllers. And another scenario, so we have taken a look at the few scenarios which are predefined, and now let's take a look at the AI generated scenarios. We'll go to trauma, and in the trauma, I want to choose the car crash and bring our client here. Inside the car crash scenario, we got a 2-car crash on a small town road, and you can bring your client a breathing exercise. Let's teach them how to cope with their emotions. A box breathing exercise. Or if it was a rainy day, you can bring the rain. You can also activate the sound. This can be the sound of ambulance. And you can decide what you want to change in this exposure. In this exposure, we got a car here. It's a Cadillac. You can use this and change the car parameters. You want a car become red, or you want to have an SUV, and the AI can change it. And of course, you can do the breathing exercise, or you can run a mindfulness program in front of the exposure. And at PsyTechVR, we have a wide library of already creating scenarios. And if you don't find one, you can use our AI and generate your own tailored scenario.